Hey, G-Pop.
Hey, Azaria, what's up?
It's almost Christmas. I'm so excited to see what I'm gonna get.
Yeah, I understand, but you know it's not all about your gifts, right?
What do you mean?
Listen.
Christmas time is here again. Everybody's buying gifts for all the children, their families and friends. I hear laughing and happiness, joy is in the air. Christmas cheer is spread throughout the land.
There's no Christmas without you.
No matter what people say or do,
If you weren't born
on this glorious day, you're more than a present under my tree.
Jesus, you mean so much to me.
I love this time of year, but there's no
without you.
You're the reason for the season. People having parties on the job and parties in the schools. Families gather around to decorate their tree. Tinsel and lights all around the city. We gotta get downtown to catch the annual parade. But there is no matter what they say about you.
If you weren't born on this glorious day.
So much more than a gift for me. You're Lord of Lords and the King of Kings. Love this time of year. Whoa. For unto us a child was born, and unto us a son has been given.
Was given.
You're the wonderful counselor. You're the Prince of Peace, the mighty God. You're the Savior of the world. There's no Christmas.
No matter what people say or do.
If you weren't born on this glorious day, so much more than the one I really wanted.
You mean so much to me.
I love this time of year, but there's no,
Without you.
there would be
There's no
no.
Christmas without you. No matter what people say or do. If you weren't born on this glorious day.
You're so
All
much
the presents
more.
under my tree. Jesus, you mean so much to me.
It's all about the gift of Christ.
There's no Christmas without you.
There's no Christmas without you. No Christmas without you. No Christmas without